In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean a Windows 10 install. Whether you're seeking a fresh start or troubleshooting issues, a clean install can help optimize performance and resolve persistent problems. So let's get started and walk through the entire process step by step. First, you need to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up your start menu, giving you access to the search bar. Then take a moment to type in the word reinstall. This keyword will help you locate the necessary tool for resetting your PC. Windows provides built-in features that make it straightforward to restore your system, and these tools are exactly what we'll be using today. Once you've typed in reinstall, you should see an option that says reset this PC. Go ahead and click on this entry. Reset this PC is a convenient utility within Windows 10 designed to help you perform a clean installation without the need for additional software. Now, clicking this option opens a new window with two key choices to keep in mind: resetting your PC while either keeping your files or removing everything. Next, you'll spot the Get Started button. Click on that, and it initiates the process leading you through the necessary steps. Remember, the decisions you make in the next few clicks are crucial, so consider what you need. For the next part, you have an important decision to make: whether to keep your personal files or remove everything. If you choose to keep your files, Windows will remove apps and settings but safeguard your personal documents. On the other hand, selecting to remove everything will wipe all files and settings, reverting your computer to a completely clean state. Choosing the right option depends on your specific needs. If your goal is to clear out any lingering bugs or performance issues, typically opting to remove everything and start completely fresh is the most thorough approach. However, if you're aiming for a reset without losing personal documents, choosing to keep your files might be the better route. Decide carefully, as this will set the tone for your system moving forward. Finally, proceed with the clean install. Once you've confirmed your choice, the system takes over, automating much of the process. Make sure your device is plugged into a power source, and you have time set aside, as this process could take a little while. Your computer will go through the necessary steps to reinstall Windows, and when completed, you'll have a clean, refreshed installation of Windows 10. And there you have it. At this point, your system should be as good as new, ready to tackle whatever tasks you have in store with improved performance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in achieving your clean Windows 10 install. If you found value in this tutorial, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more content like this.